Hey guys, sorry, gotta get some tea in my system. Like, I need this. I need some green tea. The weather here in Dubai is just going crazy. Like, we're all getting sick. Oh my god. And I'm getting some pimples. As you can see, I'm breaking it a bit. So that's happening. That's an update in my life. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be reviewing for you all, since you all just love when I review lenses or any product. I've noticed that from the views I get on my video compared to the makeup look. And I'm ready to deliver the content that you guys want to see rather than the content I want to do, because you guys are important to me, of course. And yeah, so Anesthesia sent me more lenses. Thank you so much to Anesthesia and the team, especially to the marketing manager who always keeps in touch and lets me know, gives me the information on what new colors they have come up with, the colors that I haven't used yet. So they do really give me the information on that. So I have 3 different lenses. I have another one. It's the New York Olivia. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm bad at remembering names. So that's one which I do not have right here right now, but I do have a Blue Addict, which I've been in love with. Like, I'm just in love with it. And I have Addict Oro, and I have, sorry, what is the color? I think this one is Addict Gray. So I have Addict Blue, Addict Gray, and Addict Oro. So they all come in the same category as Addict. So I'm gonna start my review now, and yes, let's get into the lenses. The first one I'm gonna try is Addict Oro, because this is a very natural shade. This is like one of those beautiful brown kind of honey color shade, and I'm in love with it. So I'm gonna wear them on one eye, and I'm gonna have my one eye natural, so you guys can of course see the difference that we usually do. So I will be back. I'll just apply the lenses. Guys, this is Addict Oro, and the left is my lenses, and on the right is my natural eye. So you guys can see the difference. It's a huge difference. It's a beautiful difference. See how beautiful honey brown, light brown this is. This is really gorgeous, and it will definitely go beautifully with dark skinned girls. So if you are a little like darker than I am, this color is your shit, girl. Like, I can completely imagine how gorgeous this is gonna look on your skin. So yeah, this is the Addict Oro, and this is my natural eyes. I'm gonna be wearing Addict Oro on both my eyes and show you guys how it finally looks like. And yeah, okay, I'm sorry about the eye on my right eye. I know it's kind of like what, like, but this is like what's happening with me right now. I just start crying. Yep, this happens to me all the time. So this is Addict Oro. Just gonna come a little closer. Guys, the next shade that I am going to be trying is Addict Gray. So I'm going to be applying it on one eye, and one eye will be natural, and like, let's see how they look on my eyes. Girl, these aren't your average gray shade lenses. These are some really gorgeous gray lenses. Like, they don't even look like they're like, like those gray that is all, how girls wear green lenses, and on the picture with the model it looks super natural, but when you wear it, it looks super fake. That ain't your gray. Gray is everything. This gray is like all natural. It has this really beautiful shade, honestly. Okay, this is my new favorite color. I was gonna keep the best for the last, which is Addict Blue. Like, it's still the most loving, like, I just love that color. Like, the lens I'm gonna be wearing next. It's just like I love, but this I love even more because this is like super natural. Oh my god, I'm gonna just sip my tea and like show off my gray lenses. That was so bad. Alright guys, this was the second last shade, and I have like the last shade, and it's for the best. I've kept the last for the best for the last, whatever. And I can't wait for y'all to see how beautiful this color is I'm gonna be wearing right now. It is the gorgeous, like the most, like if you ever purchase lenses from Anesthesia, and I really recommend you do, because I reviewed their lenses twice and I loved all their colors. But if you ever you better get Addict Blue, like better get Addict Blue. Like you wear the lenses, you feel like you're just a whole new different girl. It's just like so gorgeous. I'm just gonna wear it rather than like talking about it. You're gonna see how it looks, you know what I mean? Like these are gorgeous, and these are like, you know, normally going to a cafe, having your croissant and like your coffee and just, you know, slaying your eye color. But the ones I'm gonna wear now are like everything. Alright guys, this is the lenses I was talking about that I am in love with so much. Like I'm in love with these. Like these are like my forever and ever favorite, like you guys can see. So anyways, these are my natural eyes, and these are Addict Blue. Addict Blue is, I think, like the most beautiful color I've ever seen as lenses. You will understand once you wear them. I was never into blue shades like as lenses. I was always like about like natural shades, and I was like, oh my god, I can't like go all wild. But you know, I was like, you know, let me try these shades on. Like let me try this color on my eyes. And the moment I tried this color, I was like, the moment I wore these lenses, my sister was like, oh, what are those? Like these are some really gorgeous. And I was like, yeah, they're from Anesthesia. They're like Addict Blue. She's like, whoa, I don't think Stephanie really noticed this color on their website, but like coming from me, because like, you know, I'm a regular schmegler girl, you know, who can like give you honest reviews. So coming from me, because like I just love lenses that are very natural and subtle, and they aren't so dramatic. So I was like, you know, okay, they look a little dramatic, but then I was like, you know, let me just try them. There's no harm in trying. And the moment I bought these, and the moment they were shipped to my place, I was like, okay, let me just try on these, because I was like kind of hyped. But low-key, I was kind of scared. I was like, I don't want to like a dramatic lens. The moment I wore them, I was like, bruh, are you serious? Are you serious? Let me wear them on the other eyes, and then we come to an end of this video. And this was a very short but very helpful, I'm assuming. If you guys want to know about more lenses, comment down below which other lenses you guys want me to review. If you guys are like kind of scared to purchase them or like whatsoever, let me know. Hit me up, girl. Like I'll be all over the place. Let me know. I'm just gonna like get them and review them for you. Any lens from Anesthesia, I'm gonna hook you up with them. I'm gonna show you how they look, and if you guys have similar eye color as me, which is dark brown or like brown, very dark brown, I'm here to help you. You don't have to waste your money. You know, you can see on my eyes, or you know, snap me, send me a Snapchat or Instagram me, or like best is comment down below. I'm gonna have that lenses can be a big deal to buy, because it can cost you a lot of money, and you know, it can be like oh, will it suit me or will it not suit me? How's my face gonna look like with these lenses? But yeah, you know, it's always good to come on YouTube and check out some reviews. I highly advise you guys do that, and check in the comment down below how they feel. You know, it's always good to take some feedback. So yeah, let me know if this video was helpful. Working on another project very soon, and yeah, I just want y'all support, and I want y'all to, you know, subscribe, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and if this was helpful, share it with your friends, your family, whoever are, you know, wanting to buy some lenses or whatsoever. Let them, you know, see this video, and yeah, until next time, bye and take care.